Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new, and welcome to my second fall clean and decorating video for 2023. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning and decorating here in our downstairs family room. You may have noticed I started my fall decorating a little early this year, and so last week we did the master bedroom, and this week we're doing the downstairs family room. So kind of just incorporating that fall feel into some of the areas of our home that aren't like the main areas. We are going to be getting to the living room and kitchen very soon, as well as a front porch video a little later in September. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my fall decorating videos. Okay, let's look at the before of this room and get to cleaning and decorating together. Okay, you guys, so we are getting started with a look at this basement family room, and this is as it is normally, typically. So this may look a little different than you've seen it before. We have rearranged the furniture somewhat recently, I would say. I think it was maybe earlier in the summer that we moved the TV, rearranged the furniture, got some new furniture. So if it's looking a little different and you've seen some of my older videos, that is why. And then over here we have all of the fun fall decor items that we're going to be using in today's video. So I wanted to get started over here in this main area where the TV sits, and I knew that I wanted to switch around some of these pieces. So literally the day of filming this video, I had my husband help me hang some of the wall art on the walls. That was like the last thing that I needed to do in this space. So that arch that you see on the left, that was hung up there, and I knew that that blanket ladder looked really good with the arch. Those pieces both used to be in our upstairs living room, and so I already knew they looked good together. So we're doing a little swap of the ladder and the lamp, and then once we get everything situated, we're going to get to some cleaning and decorating. Okay, we are starting with decorating the TV stand. So we actually I found this TV stand at Hobby Lobby. I think it may have been last year on super clearance, super good deal. And so that is where the TV stand is from. And this year, since we have all of our furniture situated, the area rug, this room is ready to go. So I really wanted to style it very pretty for the fall season. So looking for a garland, I found this 6-foot fall eucalyptus garland at Home. It was $30, very affordable for a garland. If you've been to any other stores, I'm sure you can tell that that's a pretty good price. So we're going with a little bit of a eucalyptus theme down here. I had a few eucalyptus pieces prior to this, so that's why I chose this garland to kind of create like a cohesive look. I'm going to add a strand of these battery operated little fairy lights just to give it that glow. That's one thing that I absolutely love about fall and Christmas decorating, is that as the sun begins to set earlier, the little seasonal decorations and lights come on, and it just creates the best ambiance. So let me know in the comments if you guys love that as well. Now we're just going to tidy up this couch area. This is kind of a suede reclining couch that we've had for a few years. We did have this in our last house that we owned, and we've lived in this house for 4 years. So this couch has been with us for a while. And then that little ottoman there in the front kind of serves as our drink table and stuff without blocking the recliners. So now we're moving on to our fireplace mantle. This gas fireplace was here when we purchased the house. It is really nice feature in the basement. This basement gets pretty cold and stays cold all year round, really. So it is a nice feature to have, especially in the winter if you want to kick on the fireplace and watch a movie and stuff like that. And also a good alternative heat source if we were to lose power. So I'm very thankful for that. But this is a corner mantle, so it is very deep. It has been a challenge to decorate, but my mom and dad actually gave me this old window that you see up here, and that actually came from my great-grandmother's house, which was on the land that they own now. And so it's really special to have that in my house, and I love decorating this for the seasons because that window takes up a lot of that unnecessary depth of the mantle, so it makes it a lot easier to decorate as well. On the mantle, I added this vintage glass jug. It's a 1 gallon jug. Added some Hobby Lobby florals in that. I've had those for many, many years. Gonna keep my same candlesticks and just switching out the white candles for some burnt orange ones for fall. So it did take me a while to figure out the layout of this mantle. I wanted to balance the height of the florals and the candlesticks, but as you can see, I'm going to put my fall village up here. I did this last year and I really loved how it turned out. Again, having those lights glowing in the evenings is just so special when you're watching a movie or a show. So we're adding that. The little wood risers you see are from Hobby Lobby. I got those last year and I think they still have them this year, but I love using those to just add a little more height difference to the village and make it look a little less one-dimensional. Okay, we are moving right along. Today's video is pretty quick. This room isn't very big and it doesn't have a lot of spaces to decorate, but we are moving on to this console table over here on the side wall. So this is kind of where the TV used to be, if you remember that. But I purchased this console table off of Amazon because I knew I wanted a space to store some of Grant's toys and then all of our board games and stuff. It also works out. We have my record player here on top. So I'm going to open that up and just display it open. I think that looks really cute. And then we do have a Keurig down here. It's not even plugged up right now, but I plan on getting that set up so we can do like maybe some sleepy time tea in the evenings, hot chocolate, decaf coffee. My husband and I spend a lot of our evenings down here. This is kind of our evening hangout spot after we put Grant to bed. And so it would just be really nice to be able to use that Keurig if we want a warm drink in the evenings. So to style this table for fall, I'm leaving it pretty much as is, but I do have this eucalyptus candle ring from Hobby Lobby. It almost perfectly matches the garland I found at home this year. And then we are going to place a Bath & Body Works pumpkin apple candle down here and just burning those candles, you know, sitting and watching a movie, burning a fall candle, drinking hot chocolate. Sounds perfect. Now we're going to work on the wall art over here. So I'm sharing with you these, I guess like wheat, like grass type stems that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to place those in these wall pockets. Now, the clock I got from Hobby Lobby earlier this year on a 75% off sale. I think I paid like $15 or $16 for that. It was such a steal. But the wall pockets are from Amazon. They used to be in our upstairs living room, and they used to be a cream color. I just simply bought some matte black spray paint and spray painted those to match the metal work on the clock, and I love how this looks. It almost looks like it's straight out of a Hobby Lobby ad. Like, I think that I've seen this before somewhere, but anyways, I really like how it looks down here in our basement, and it's a very easy way to style it for every season. I'll just switch out the wall pockets and we will be good to go. If you happen to notice a few like weird little places on the wall over there under the wall pockets, that's where the TV used to hang. Like, I literally haven't even patched the paint on the walls yet. So if you see something weird, that's because I just need to touch up the paint there. I was quickly thinking about adding these pumpkins in, because that's what I used to do when I use these wall pockets upstairs. I used to fill them with lamb's ear and then put these beautiful pumpkin picks in there. But yeah, I thought it looked a little questionable, so we're just going to take those out and simply leave the grass stems in there. Okay, quickly, the last thing that we're going to, I guess, decorate. We're over here in the basement bathroom, and I'm going to switch out my wallflower plug-in. So I actually have a fall leaf plug-in, and I'm going to add a pumpkin apple refill into this. Matches the 3-wick candle that I put out, so that way when you're burning the candle, it doesn't compete with the wallflower, and it just makes the basement smell so good all the time. And this does have a nightlight in it, which I love, because just if you know, it's dark down here and if you need to use the bathroom, that's nice. Also, the cat comes down here, so have a little nightlight for him. But we're going to finish up this cleaning and decorating video by cleaning the floors. I'm going to give everything a quick vacuum using my Shark corded vacuum. And then we're going to mop just using a little spray mop that I have, and we will be ready for the final looks. Okay guys, you know what time it is. Now that we have fully cleaned and decorated our space for fall, it is time to light those fall candles and enjoy all the hard work we've done today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the final looks of our fall decor in our basement family room. guys, that is going to be it for today's fall clean and decorate video here in our basement family room. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and that I gave you some fall decor inspiration. I really love how everything turned out down here and all the warm colors, and it's so nice to finally have this room situated the way it's going to be with the furniture layout and everything, and to be able to decorate it just really cozy and pretty for the fall season. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you join us here at Kindly Katey. I do lots of home decor, cleaning, and mom life videos, and from now until the end of the year, it's going to be decorating almost every week with fall, Halloween, maybe a little Thanksgiving, and then of course Christmas content coming your way. So subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, you guys, I will see you very soon with another fall decorating video. Bye!